What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitindichain. Now, the Bitindichain is live for pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They still have a full day left of their pre-sale. They're already well past their soft cap. BNI is the ticker symbol for this token. We're going to go over the information on this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here, the Bitindichain. So they have a full audit here listed on PinkSale. They were audited by Cyberscope, and you can view the PDF of that. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to a company called IDO Presales to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. And they also have a full Seifu badge on here as well. You can see the PDF of that, and that was done by Trinos Token Terminal. So all those three things are available to see on PancakeSwap, on PinkSale. So if you do end up missing this pre-sale, no worries. You can get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap, and liquidity will be locked for 365 days on PancakeSwap. Now, the soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 50 BNB. There is no hard cap, so this is just going to continue until time runs out. And right now they've sold 87.47 BNB. So it's still it's already a successful pre-sale, and they still have a full day and 4 hours left of this pre-sale. So far they've had 101 different investors contribute to this pre-sale. For socials, they have a Reddit, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, official webpage, and they even have a What is Bitindichain little trailer video that you can watch on PinkSale. It says decentralized, high efficiency, and energy-saving public chain. It is compatible with smart contracts and supports high-performance transactions. Apart from processing millions of transactions per second, Bitindi blockchain-based ecosystem has all the chances to give rise to a genuine Web 3.0 internet and decentralized storage, anonymous network, DNS, instant payments, and various decentralized services. Low tax of 1% on sales. Seifu audit, KYC, DEX app is live, mobile app live, CoinMarketCap listed, and code open source. So Bitindichain is the name of the token. BNI is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply 50 million tokens. 15.2 million for pre-sale. 8.9 million for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $37,000. And yeah, so they have a token allocation pie chart on here. It says 30.47% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 17.9% go to liquidity, 20% go to staking pool, 10% go to exchange listings, 5% development, 5% marketing, 5% partnerships, 5% team, 1% giveaway, and 0.6% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, there is a quick audit by Contract Checker and another quick audit by DeFi Moon. They both look great. There's no warnings on either one of them. It's just all good check marks. It says owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner can't change the fees over 25%. Owner can change max transaction amount but with limit. Owner cannot disable trading, and owner cannot add blacklist users. So all sorts of good check marks there. No big concerns or red flags or anything on their quick audits. If you go to their official webpage, it is bitindi.com. That's where you're going to find way more information. So they have a decentralized wallet, access decentralized assets with other options in your wallet. Also, the DEX exchange, cross-blockchain DEX exchange. Experience cross-blockchain with Bitindi app built with both web and mobile. I always find that crypto pages are redundant, like they put DEX exchange, and DEX stands for decentralized exchange, so if you read that fully, it would say decentralized exchange. They always do that, and they always put like BSC chain, so it's like Binance Smart Chain, you know what I mean? Totally redundant. Anyways, how-to guide, what you can do with Bitindi. Learn about the Bitindi and BNI coin from different angles. Also, crypto analysis, Bitindi crypto analysis platform. Learn crypto market trends and complete analysis. Explore, you can explore the Bitindi's ecosystem, comprehensive list of all things on the Bitindichain. You can become a validator. We are launching our validator program. Come and be a part of the Bitindi ecosystem. You can stake your tokens, stake BNI and get rewarded. And you can, there's the Bitindi bridge, cross-chain bridge. So the bridge isn't out yet. That's coming soon. Staking's not out yet. You can explore the ecosystem. That's out. The analysis platform's out. Cross-chain DEX is out, and the wallet is out as well. So a blockchain-based network. Apart from processing millions of transactions per second, Bitindi blockchain-based ecosystem has all the chances to give rise to genuine Web3 internet and decentralized storage, anonymous network, DNS, instant payments, and various decentralized services. So it shows how it's superior to Solana and Ethereum with their scalability issues. Like Bitindi offers 260 shards per service chain. And the benefits of the Bitindi chain is a scalable multi-chain that is designed to process millions of transactions within seconds. There's payments, a decentralized VPN services, the blockchain-based TOR alternatives to achieve anonymity, DNS, storage, and service chains. Also staking, smart contract, bridge, exchanges, aggregator, NFTs, asset tokenization, and escrow. So you can learn way more about this on their webpage, Bitindi.com. You can check their roadmap to see when those things that I named that are coming soon are being released. And you can check out all their, they have a full white paper as well, and they have a YouTube, GitHub, Telegram channels, LinkedIn, Twitter. All these things are linked on their webpage as well, along with bug bounty and blogs and other stuff like that. So check it all out. 1 day left of their pre-sale too. Check them out on Pink Sale. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.